The Agency for Research and Development of the Ministry of Transportation is organizing an event called International Conference of Transportation Research and Innovation. The topic is towards integrated, intelligent, and sustainable transportation from 13 until 14 November 2019 in Jakarta. This event has several programs, such as Plenary Session, which will give an overview of Indonesia's transportation research. A seminar that researchers will present their papers, known as Call for Papers. Two kinds of workshops, scientific and stakeholder workshops. Exhibition that will showcase innovation and development of technology and management in transportation. Poster design competition, where ideas and results of transportation research can be shared. Also, a site visit to MRT Jakarta. If you are interested to join and present your papers, please take note for the important date and the requirements. Registration via website ic-tri.depthub.go.id. For more information, check out our Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter account at Balitbanghub 151. So, what are you waiting for? See you there!